And so we're going to click on generate ideas. It's going to research the latest AI news. And then it's going to, you can see here, it says AI live stream idea generator. And again, we've just made this live based on what I've spent my time on today, because I don't want to spend a lot of time on doing this stuff forever. And then you can see here, it says click the button to research the latest in AI and generate viral topic ideas in Julian's style. Now, you can see it's come up with a bunch of cool ideas here based on my style of videos, right? So for example, breaking, OpenAI just launched ChatGPT Atlas browser, which it did come out, like I think within the last 7 days or so. New Google Gemini 2.5 computer use model. OpenAI Sora 2 is here, right? Claude agent skills. Perplexity Comet, right? Now, the only thing that I would change about this is I want it on today's news, right? I don't want it on like last week's or last 7 days, because I know how quickly I know how fickle sometimes the demand for these ideas can be if you're late, right? So for example, if I had to start talking about something that came out last week, people like that's old news in the comments, right? And so really I want to generate ideas from not just the last 7 days, but literally from the last 24 hours. So I'm going to try and change that now. I'm going to say, right, okay, when you generate the ideas, try to come up with new ideas from the last 24 hours of releases, right? AI update releases, maximum 48 hours. If you can show how recent the updates, that would be even better. Goal equals focus on the newest updates. Let's see if we can come up with better ones, right? It does save a lot of time. Otherwise, you know, like it'd be so annoying to just type that out manually or edit it manually and that sort of thing. And we're now going to test this out. I also like the fact that I don't have to type anything. I can just click a button, boom, one click, boom, idea generator, right? I really like that. So we're going to wait for that to go now. By the way, if you want the example prompt for this, I'll put it inside the AI Money Lab notes as well. All right, so you got the notes right there, the example prompt notes. Now you can see it's coming up with ideas. You can see when stuff was announced, which is pretty cool. So this is nice. This is nice. You can see here, for example, we've got OpenAI's new ChatGPT Atlas browser that was announced about a week ago. And it says announced 21st to 23rd of October. That's great, right? So it actually tells us now when the updates came out, so we can just focus on the best ones, the newest ones. So for example, new Microsoft Copilot update. I know they just rolled out something new, and you can see here update rolled out in the last 24 to 48 hours. Nice. All right. So what we're going to do over here is we are going to, one second, we're going to hit save. Then we're going to click on share app. So wait for that to load. Then we'll click on copy. We'll publish that as well in case anyone else here wants to use it. You know, and you can just say like generate it. You could check. I'll show you how to copy the code and then create your own if you want to personalize this stuff. But we're going to put over here live stream video idea generator.